Hello children, welcome again in your English class. Let's start today's lesson. Today's date is 10th of February 2021. Day is Wednesday. Subject is English literature. Topic is lesson 16 Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. This is the last part of the lesson. So children, let's start today's lesson. Yesterday we had done the exercises till page number 116, 116, and in this exercises we had done some fill in the blanks and all the exercises related to the lesson. Today we are going to continue with the exercises of the lesson given on page number 117, 170. Now start with B2 exercise, words that sound the same. That means the words that will have the same sound, different spelling, different meaning. Homophones. Yesterday we had studied about the homophones in our workbook exercise. So the same homophones we are going to learn, more about the homophones we are going to learn today in our literature book. Now read the given pair of words. Let's start. Blue, blue. So this blue is the color and this blue, हवा जो चलती है, that is called blue, the movement of air. Here, here. This here is the sound, जो हम sound सुनते हैं, that is called here, and this here is the direction. Third, knot, knot. This knot is related to, जैसे हम धागे में knot बांधते हैं, rope में knot बांधते हैं, and ribbon में knot बांधते हैं, गांठ बांधते हैं, that is called knot. And this knot means negative. देन थ्रू, थ्रू. दिस थ्रू मतलब किसी चीज़ को ज़ोर से फेंकना, बॉल को थ्रू करते हैं हम लोग एंड पेपर को थ्रू करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड थ्रू. एंड दिस थ्रू मतलब किसी के द्वारा. ओके, थ्रू जो भी दैट सॉरी किसी के द्वारा जब हम कोई काम करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड थ्रू. वी आर राइटिंग, वी आर डूइंग दिस वर्क थ्रू दिस थिंग. ओके, देन मेक सेंटेंसेस विद द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. अब आपको यहाँ पे और होमोफोन्स दिए गए. यू विल हैव given more homophones and then you have to use them in the sentences. First you will learn about the meaning of that homophone and then you will use the words in the sentences. Like this first one, 8, 8. This 8 is the past tense of eat. This 8 is the number. So पहले आप दिस 8 को यूज़ करें सेंटेंस में. ही एट ऑल द ग्रेप्स. उसने सारे ग्रेप्स खा लिए. सो ही एट ऑल द ग्रेप्स and this 8 is the number. So I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Flour, flour. This flour, जब हम किसी ग्रेन को पीसते हैं, that is called flour. Okay, जैसे आटा होता है, that is called flour. And this flour is the food. Now the bread is made of flour. The bread is made of flour. Flour. And this flour is very pretty. This flour is very pretty. Now sun, sun. ये तो सबको पता है, मुझे रिपीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This sun and sun सबको पता है. So I am going to make the sentence. Mr. Sharma's son is very intelligent. Mr. Sharma's son is very intelligent. And next one, the sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. Children, remember you have to start all the sentences with capital letter and them with full stop. Okay? All the statements should be ended with full stop. Now next part is grammar. Should, shouldn't. Should means होता है जो आपको सही काम करने के लिए कहा जाता है, that is there we use should. And this shouldn't हमको जो गलत काम करने के लिए मना करते हैं, that's why we use shouldn't. What should they do? What shouldn't they do? कौन सा काम उन्हें करना चाहिए, कौन सा नहीं करना चाहिए. Now read the following sentences. First, you should throw them in the waste bin. आपको ये वेस्ट बिन में फेंकना चाहिए. सेकेंड, यू शुडंट थ्रो पीसेज ऑफ पेपर ऑन द फ्लोर. आपको ये पीसेज ऑफ पेपर फ्लोर पे नहीं फेंकने चाहिए. सो शुड इज यूज टू से दैट सम एक्शन इज द करेक्ट थिंग टू डू. शुड नॉट इज यूज टू से दैट सम एक्शन इज रॉन्ग टू डू. अगर कोई एक्शन सही है करने के लिए, शुड आपको यूज करना है. शुडंट अगर कोई एक्शन गलत है. नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद शुड और शुडंट. अब आपको यूज करना है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद शुड एंड शुडंट. So you dash speak politely. आपको politely बोलना चाहिए. Yes, so you should speak politely. We dash make fun of others. हमें दूसरों का मजाक उड़ाना चाहिए. No, so we shouldn't make fun of others. You dash walk in the rain. You'll catch cold. You shouldn't walk in the rain. You'll catch cold. तुम्हें रेन में नहीं चलना चाहिए, ठंड लग जाएगी. Everyone dash leave the bathroom clean and dry. बाथरूम को क्लीन और ड्राई छोड़ना चाहिए. So everyone should leave the bathroom clean and dry. You dash bang the door shut. जोर से दरवाजा बंद करना चाहिए. No. So you shouldn't bang the door shut. No one dash talk loudly in the library. So no one should talk loudly in the library. No one. Okay. So if there is written everyone, so everyone shouldn't talk loudly in the library. Okay, यहाँ पे no one already use हो गया, so no one should talk loudly in the library. We should talk softly in the library. Now turn the page. D for exercise, writing sentences. The cap seller and the naughty monkeys. Look at the pictures carefully, then fill in the blanks with the given words and phrases. ये आपको pictures दी गई है. Some pictures are given. You have to look at them carefully and use these words given in the end. Some useful words are given. A basket, naughty monkeys, the branches, the monkeys, their hats. A very clever idea. Very tired, very angry, very happy. Is sitting, are swinging, chattering, is sleeping, are climbing down. Take, wear, climb up, wakes up, sees, are wearing, shouts, shakes his head, fist, shout, shake their paws, takes off, scratches, puts them. So first one, आपको noun दिए, then adjective दिए, and then verbs दिए. So you have to use them correctly at the places where they are required. You have to see which word is required where, कौन सा word कहाँ पे fit हो रहा है. Then that word, that noun, adjective or verb you have to use at the proper place. Then uh, fourth group is on his head, beside, from the bracket. ये आपको prepositions के दिए. To and quickly, ये आपको क्या दिए? Adverbs. Okay. Now picture one. You have to see the picture one. Okay. This is the picture one. Now write down. An old man is dash under a tree. An old man is sitting under a tree. He has a cap dash. He has a cap on his head. He is dash. He is very tired. आई हैव यूज ऑल द वर्ड्स. जो जिस चीज़ की जहाँ ज़रूरत है उसको मैंने देख के ग्रुप से देख के अलग अलग ग्रुप से आई हैव यूज दैम एट द प्रॉपर प्लेसेस. सो आई एम गिविंग यू ओनली द आंसर्स. ही वॉन्ट्स टू रेस्ट. There is dash full of caps dash him. There is a basket full of caps beside him. There are many dash on the tree. There are many naughty monkeys on the tree. They dash from dash and dash merrily. They are swinging from the branches and chattering merrily. Now, picture 2. This is the picture 2. The old cap seller dash now is sleeping now. You can see in the picture. The monkeys dash the tree, are climbing down the trees. Then they dash the caps, dash and dash them. Then they take the caps from the basket and wear them. Then they dash the tree again, climb up the tree again. Then picture 3, as you can see, this is picture 3. The cap seller dash. The cap seller wakes up. He dash that the monkeys dash his caps. He sees that the monkeys are wearing his caps. Then this is the picture 4. Okay. He is dash. He is very angry. Okay. Very angry. He dash at them. He shouts at them and dash at them and shakes his fist at them. As you can see, उसने अपनी मुक्का दिखा रहा है उन्हें. So he shakes his fist at them. The monkeys are also dash at him. The monkeys also shout at him. You can see in the picture. And dash at him and shake their paws at him. जो उनके जो पंजे होते हैं उसको वो दिखा रहे हैं. Okay. So and shakes their paws at him. Now picture 5 you can see. Okay. The cap seller does not know what to do. He dash his cap. He takes off his cap and dash his head and scratches 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 his head. The dash take off their caps and scratch dash too. The monkeys take off their caps and scratch their heads too. Now picture 6. This is picture 6. The cap seller has a very clever idea. The cap seller has a very clever idea. He throws down his cap. The monkeys throw down their caps dash, that is two आप लगाएंगे. The cap seller dash picks up all the caps. The cap seller quickly picks up all the caps, puts them in his basket, puts them in his basket and walks away. He is very happy, very happy. So I hope you all have completed the exercises with me, and then you will turn the page. Last exercise, listening and speaking, sound and spelling, silent GH. In सारे words में you have to say the words and then underline the word letters GH in each word. Okay, जहाँ पे silent GH हो. Height, height. 8, light, tight. Night, tonight. Might, wait, wait. Okay. Now E, I or IE. Read the following word. Lie, receive. Sorry, lie, fears. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको ई की साउंड आ रही है. रिसीव, देयर. ओके, सो यू हैव टू सी ई की साउंड आ रही है, ए की साउंड, ई की साउंड. ओके, लाई, रिसीव, ए की साउंड, ई की साउंड. ओके, सो you have to use EI or IE in the blank spaces. The dash CHIEF. Okay, IEF, chief, and his 8 men, EIGHT, were riding across the field, FIELD, IELD. They stopped because THEIR, their horses were tired. The chief CHIEF and his EIGHT 8 men were riding across FIELD field. They stopped because THEIR, their horses were tired. Many reindeer pulled the sleigh of Santa Claus. Many reindeer, REI and DEERS, reindeers, pull the sleigh, SLEIGH, sleigh of Santa Claus. The foolish crow had a PIE, piece of cheese, in his beak. The ceiling, CEILING, their THEIR, their kitchen is black. The ceiling, CEI, of a ceiling of their THEIR, their kitchen is black. The house is quiet, 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 everyone is sleeping. So children, this is all in your English literature. Today we have completed the English literature course. Thank you.